In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to book clients going from inquiry all the way through contract signature and retainer payment in HoneyBook. So let's dive in. HoneyBook takes a lot of this work off your plate, so any back and forth you're doing about scheduling consultations, about asking questions, about following up with leads, a lot of that can be condensed or even fully automated in HoneyBook. So let me show you exactly how that works. As an example, here's a contact page on my website, and I've got all the questions that I need in here. We've got a date picker, we've got some required questions, we've got some drop downs and some check marks here. So any information that you need can be here. It's all customizable and it looks like it's part of my website. And then when someone is ready to submit, they'll just click send, and I get a really cool email saying, hey, you got a new inquiry, and it's already in HoneyBook for me. So if I click view inquiry, it takes me right to HoneyBook, right to this person's project that's already created for me. I don't have to transfer any of that information over into my backend system. It's just there automatically for me to reference whenever I need it. So from there, there's a lot of different steps that you might want to take. You could, for instance, schedule a 30-minute consultation with them. You could send this scheduler that you have set up with your availability, and it will automatically send to them to schedule. You also could go ahead and send them a preliminary proposal or any combination of kind of proposal, invoice, contract, services, pricing guide, that kind of stuff. So let me show you what I do. Now that first contact form is in this contact form section. Mine is just my default one, but you can have multiple ones if you have different types of services that you put on different places in your website. You also can just send a direct link to someone if you want. So here's mine, and you can change up all the questions, etc. After they're already in here, what exactly do you want to do? Let's take a look at our file templates. So in HoneyBook, you can combine all types of different things into one file, depending on exactly how you want your process to look. So I'd recommend mapping out how your process should look and what types of things you want to send your clients, and then build all of your templates. Just one example for onboarding and booking is our three-piece proposal. I'm going to skip services for just 1 second because my standard is going to have an invoice, a contract, and a payment option. So the invoice is going to be something that I typically create for each client because my clients are all fully custom. So we'll have an invoice in here. This is a template invoice that is very common for me to use. For instance, this client asked for, they asked for 98 invitations. So we're going to provide them a quote with 100 because it's close enough, and we can further customize that as we go in this job. The preliminary proposal is mostly, in my opinion, just to get to the more customized one, get them on the phone with me, make sure that we're in the right price range generally. And then on each job, I'll be able to kind of add and change things as I need to. So if they want envelope liners, for instance, I can add those. If they don't, I can always delete those on a per job basis. So I'm going to set up a template that's got my most common items on it so that I don't have to re-add those every time. The next page on this template is going to be our contract, and you can set up your contract. You can set up different types of contracts for different types of services, but we're going to hook up our invitation contract here so that that one is attached to all of our invitation proposals. And then the third page is going to be a payment option, and they'll be able to go ahead and pay this. We have our payment plans locked into the invoice so they know exactly how much they're going to be paying this time, and they can go ahead and book their strategies. So what the client sees is actually a full invoice with the payment schedule. Next, they'll go through the whole contract and they can sign it. Next, they're going to have this exact option to pay. And I don't have to do any of that because this is a template that I can add to any job. Now, one other option you might want to add is something like services. You can also just add a page that's got text that's like, hey, welcome. It's got a picture of you or video. I'm excited to work with you. You can really customize this with however many pages and however many options of services and things that you want. Services, for instance, is if you have like 3 different packages and they just have to select one, you can put all 3 of those packages, and when they select them, it will automatically add it to the invoice that's on the second page. So I already have an invoice kind of programmed in here, and I edit that for each job. But if you have more general services that you offer to everyone, then you could just put them right here, and then you won't have to make any edits before sending this over. So when I'm in Laney's project, all I have to do to add that template here is go into files, I'll click create new proposal. And since this is in one of my templates, or you can like star, you can have most used, etc., I'm just going to click on this one, and it will automatically add it to Laney's project smart file. So now if I want to make any changes that are just for Laney, then I can do that. I'm going to delete this services page because it's not something I actually typically use. And then say on the invoice, she really didn't want envelope liners, so I can just delete those for her and it's still got everything else. Or maybe she needed a 4-piece suite and we need to charge a little bit more on the design fee for that. Let's charge $1,800. I can make that change. It's not going to change on the template for any future project. It's just going to change on this one. And then when I share that with her, what she sees is this fully kind of customized proposal. She can click through, she can sign the contract, she can even pay the invoice. And I've only had to do that one thing, which is updating that proposal. So I hope you can see how easy this is. It takes out all the back and forth of here's the proposal, here's how you sign it, here's the contract now that you're ready, here's our payment instructions, oh, have you paid, it's due now. All of that is now automated into one smart file, and you can change that smart file however makes sense for you. So you can add some of those services. You can even add a scheduler if after seeing the proposal and booking, they're going to need to book a consult with you to talk about their project. There's even a lot of automations. I have some other videos on that where maybe after they've signed the contract and paid the retainer, you can send them a scheduler, you could send them a form, you could send them a different type of file, etc. So there's so much customization you can do here. You can really use these smart files however you want, and you can change the order or types of things that are in there. So I would recommend mapping out your booking process on paper before you start diving into this. And I have a full class on how to set up HoneyBook if you want to get the step-by-step instructions of how to set up each and every one of these forms. And there's so much more HoneyBook can do for you that I didn't even show you here. If you've never checked them out, definitely look at our full course when you start diving in, because it'll show you everything step-by-step and dive a lot deeper. And you can get 30% off of your first year with our code Laney or the link in the description of this video. Let me know what questions you have about booking with HoneyBook, and I'm so excited for you to check out this cool system.